Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security Guide for Administrators. If you are new to WordPress administration and WordPress security, our course covers the basics of WordPress security and the process of administrator WordPress securely. It will help you get up to speed with things like regular plugin upgrades, choosing secure passwords for your members and administrators, and variety of concepts that are fundamental to WordPress security. In our course, we will see common tactics and attacks that a hacker uses to gain access to our website. So, we will see the types of attacks and methods used by hackers like botnet, so we'll get a deep knowledge of security issues and threats and why are they attacking my WordPress site. WordPress is the most popular publishing platform in the world. It runs over 34% of all websites worldwide. Because it powers so many websites, it has become a target for hackers who want to infect or control websites. For this reason, finding a zero-day security hole in WordPress is sought after by hackers because it can lead to the ability to control a huge number of websites. A zero-day vulnerability is a vulnerability that the software vendor has had 0 days to fix because they are not aware of the problem yet. Finally, we see in practice mode how to protect yourself from the most common attacks and exploits of WordPress. So, see you in the course.